Hey, this is Lewis from SoFly, and today I have a workflow tip for you about using classes with Oxygen. Classes allow you to apply these same styles to multiple elements. You edit the styles in one place in the class, and they apply everywhere. This makes it very easy to get a consistent look across your website without having to tweak the same style in 574 different places. This feature is unique to Oxygen. No other visual builder for WordPress has anything like this. So let me show how it works, and then I'll show how to do it. So here I have a bunch of icon blocks just to list some features. They use classes. So let's say I want to change how these look, all six of them. Well, since I'm using classes, any styling adjustments made to one will take effect on all. So let's say we want to go ahead and change the icon style here. Make this icon solid. Now they're all solid. Adjust the icon size, adjust the background color, tweak the icon color. Done. Or outline style icon. Same changes apply everywhere. So I want to adjust the font size here, or font family. Now we've adjusted the font everywhere. You can adjust the size. That takes effect everywhere. So it's very easy to tweak your design, get everything looking pixel perfect without having to adjust the same styles in so many different places. Beautiful. And it looks like this one needs another line for consistency. And there we go. We have now adjusted the styles of our icons all at the same time. Superpowers. Design superpowers. Okay, let me show you how to do that yourself with Oxygen. So to set it up, just when you're adding elements to your page, so let's say I'll go ahead and add in a section, and then I'll add in a heading. You just go on choose a selector to edit, you click it, and then you enter in a class name. I'll call this my heading. Now sometimes if you've already made changes to the element, like to some of its styles, for example, you'll see the ID here. So then you just click the ID and you enter in a class name. So I'll call this my heading. And now that these both have the same class, styles made to one will take effect to the other one. So to reiterate, you just add any element, click choose a selector to edit or the ID, and enter in a class name here, and then click add class, and you've now added a class to the element. So let's add the same class to this element now, and then adjust styles. Okay, let's make something that looks good. So let's make some testimonials. So I'll add a section. I'll go to helpers, testimonial, choose a selector to edit. I'll call this my testimonial. And let's duplicate this thing a few times. And now let's style it up. So go to advanced, size and spacing, go max width of 700. Now they all have the same max width. Let's add 30 pixels of padding on all sides. Let's go to the section, center them all. Let's add in, let's change the background color of the section. Then we'll go to the background of the testimonials and make them white. Add some space below. Now they're all spaced out nicely. Then let's go to effects and we'll add a little shadow effect to make them pop. So we'll go box shadow, color of semi-transparent black, no offset, and just a little bit of blur. Yeah, that's super clean. Let's add a little border radius. So advanced borders, border radius of 3. Now they've all got it. And let's change the text style. So we'll go to typography. It's a testimonial text. Let's make this italic. Use Allegreia Sans. Font weight 300. And then for the author, use Allegreya Sans small caps. Looking good. And for the author info, let's use Allegreya Sans. Let's do all caps, uppercase. So see, it makes it uppercase everywhere. Letter spacing of 1, font weight 500, and anti-alias for little thinning. And look at that. We have now created beautiful testimonials here. I could fill an image. I'm not going to in this video. And yeah, these look great. And they all look the same. That is the power of classes. And now let's say we wanted to apply the same class to a new testimonial we use on another page. All right, let's go do it. So let's go back to WordPress. Admin will make a new page. Save that. Edit with Oxygen. And now let's say we were just designing our page, so we had a section and a heading and whatever, and then we added a testimonial to this page. Choose a selector to edit. My testimonial. Add that class. Boom, it's done. And then of course we'd have to set the section background color for that same look, but there we go. And now let's say we updated the class styles here, right? Let's say we made this thing like totally different style, like a dark testimonial with light text. So you go white text here, white text for the author, white text for the author info. Say we did that, save that, and then let's say we went and looked at the old page. Styles applied everywhere. So as you can imagine, when a client asks you, hey, can you make this blue, or can you make the blue a little bit darker? If you're using another page builder, you're going to have to make the same change in 57 different places for as many times as you get asked to make that change. I mean, what a nightmare. But with Oxygen and the power of classes, you make the change in one place, and it takes effect everywhere, vastly speeding up your workflow and making it very easy to get a consistent look across your website. Okay, this is Lewis from SoFly. That is the power of classes with Oxygen. Thank you very much for watching.